people think of being part of a team, many times what comes to mind are personality clashes and memories of dreaded group projects. However, there are many benefits of working in properly functioning teams for both you personally and for your organization. Today, there's greater pressure for organizations to become more competitive, agile, and innovative. As a result, teamwork across different job roles has become a vital aspect in the organizational landscape. Teamwork is essential to success. Many great achievements are the product of collaborations and team effort. Therefore, for employees to have a meaningful career, they need to be able to work well with others. Part of our ethos at CIBC First Caribbean is promoting a sense of pride and purpose in everything we do for our colleagues, clients, and our bank. One of the first things that must be done for both the benefit of the organization and the team is that team members need to be made fully aware of the big picture and realize how their individual responsibilities are part of a larger business strategy. Each individual's unique skill set, talents, and strengths are things that only they can contribute. Therefore, when a diverse team of people works together, there are infinite possibilities for great innovation and idea development, and businesses need new, fresh ideas to succeed in the competitive world. Remember that being part of a team means together, everyone achieves more.